members, Miss Nikki here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fun and festive fall treat. Autumn snack mix. Let's get cooking. To make this snack mix, we're going to simply take all of our ingredients and add them one by one into our bowl, starting with our popcorn, followed by our cereal. Then what we're gonna do in between is mix. I have a spoon here, I'm just gonna mix it up. Leave the spoon, then I'm gonna take my pretzels and mix. My autumn candy corn. My chocolate chips. And my pumpkins. And mix it up. It is that simple. Well, members, that's how you make your autumn snack mix. We hope that you enjoy and that we get to see your very own creations.